Yo guys, what's up? Puma here. Just got done climbing at the gym, so I figured I'd go on a little hike here in Ohio. It's a bit cold outside and I'm probably not the most prepared right now for a little winter hike, but why not? And I figured I'd give you guys a little update while I'm at it. So just to fill you guys in real quick, if you're just now subscribing or watching or keeping up, last year, 2017, was really an insane year. I thru-hiked the Long Trail up in Vermont in October. Prior to that, I had attempted a thru-hike of the Continental Divide Trail. Unfortunately, things really didn't go as planned. The weather kind of turned a lot quicker than I was hoping. I ended up getting off the CDT after about 1,700 miles due to an early winter. When we got to Colorado, my last day on trail was about 20 miles of post-holing through roughly 2 feet of snow at about 13,000 feet. So when you're underprepared for something like that, it's not the most fun. And it left me with a decision to make. And late September, I made that decision to head to the Long Trail. My good buddies Scooter and Wankles, they had both been texting me, trying to kind of persuade me to go up there and ditch the CDT. When they were doing that though, I was all for the CDT. I thought it was, the best thing possible, and I couldn't have really imagined myself getting off trail. But like I said, things don't go as planned, and the CDT was one of those things. So yeah, even as awesome and amazing and really eye-opening as 2017 was, I have some really high hopes for 2018. As of right now, what's set in stone is a northbound thru-hike attempt on the PCT. As of right now, my permit date is for April 21st, I believe. So with an April 21st start date on the PCT, that should put me in Canada roughly around the end of August. I'd like to hike the PCT fairly quickly, but also I'd like to enjoy it as much as possible. So after I finish the PCT late August, I'm going to give myself roughly 3 days to get to Colorado, which is where I'll pick up the remainder of my CDT hike. I'll be heading southbound from Winter Park, Colorado, which is where I left off, and hopefully by the end of roughly middle of October, early November, I should be done with the CDT. So that really takes up the majority of my year, but there was one more thing that I'm really not able to talk about too much right now, but it involves my good friend Neemor, who you guys may know from YouTube or Instagram or whatever. We've got some plans in the work for February, and that's rapidly approaching, but once we have more details ironed out and once we have a little bit more information on it, we'll definitely be sure to hook you guys up. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Keep updated if you guys want, and hope to see you on the next one.